Hello everyone, I am Sreejesh PR, goalkeeper of the international hockey team. The Ministry of Earth Science introduced the Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar program on July 5th of this year. A first of its kind coastal cleanup campaign was launched to celebrate 75 years of Indian independence with the aim of cleaning 75 beaches along the country's 7,500 kilometers of coastal line. The campaign will conclude on September 17th, 2022. My request to you is that all of you make every effort to reduce the amount of single-use plastic you use in order to help the environment and to make the planet a better and cleaner place to live. Thank you very much.